Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Windows 11 has a host of troubleshooters when you have problems. And there hasn't been any version of Windows, I think, that had so many different troubleshooters. So there's a big list in Windows 10 also, but Windows 11, if you have anything in hardware that doesn't work well, no sound, maybe the internet doesn't work, maybe you have other types of problems, your printers, whatever. There are troubleshooters for everybody within Windows 11. So how do you access the list of troubleshooters? Simply go to your Settings app. And in the Settings app, you can actually search on the upper left, Troubleshoot, and it's going to give you Troubleshoot Settings. When you go here, you'll be to the System and the Troubleshoot options. Now, there's, of course, the recommended troubleshoot preference, ask me before running or so on. Of course, you want to know and you want to be notified when a troubleshooter runs. But go down to Other Troubleshooters and look at the list over here. So internet connection, playing audio, a printer problem, Windows Update problems, could be Bluetooth, camera, and so on. There is a troubleshooter for a lot of things. So for example, here, Windows Store apps. I could be running this because of the themes that's not running. Maybe that's going to fix something. So there's a lot of things that can be done in here to try to fix the problems that you might have. It has to be, of course, something that is in this list. Usually most of the troubleshooters are very automatic. They'll go through several processes and then they'll end up and give you either a diagnostics of, well, it seems that this is wrong. For example, in the internet connections, say that you have a Ethernet cable, but your internet cable is unplugged for some reason. You moved your PC and the cable just unplugged itself. Well, it might end up saying, it seems like you're not connected. So there are things like that that's going to tell you. Remember also that some of these will sometimes reset some of the settings and options. For example, internet connection, once again, if you try that, there's a possibility if you're on Wi-Fi that it's going to reset the passwords and everything. You'll need to know how to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. So there's a lot of these little troubleshooters you can check out, and maybe at some point, if you have a problem, this could actually save your life. You know, over time, as a tech guy, troubleshooters are not necessarily that efficient, but they're, the simplest thing that you can try on your own. And you know what? Might prevent you from actually having a tech guy over because something's wrong with your computer. So System and Troubleshoot and Other Troubleshooters. That's where it is within the settings. And of course, you can also search for troubleshooting right here. So if you do troubleshoot, you will see that troubleshoot settings are actually going to be popping up even in the search within Windows. And you're going to go there and you'll have access to other troubleshooters for all of the troubleshooting that can be done if something is happening. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.